Hello, welcome and welcome back to my channel. I hope everybody's having a wonderful day. I know I am. My package finally came through. It went to like 5 different towns and a whole new other state just to get here. So let's get to it because I've been waiting long enough. I know everybody else has too. First up is my portfolio. Something I've been wanting to get for a very long time. I'm not gonna open this. Come on, find a way. Oh, cool. It doesn't have anything written on it. And it's supposed to hold up to 60 diamond paintings. It is a bit messed up, so I hope that doesn't affect too much. Okay. I'll be doing a full-blown I'll be checking this out too. This is to seal my diamond paintings. I hope it actually works. And I got 4 new diamond paintings. We'll do this one last. I really am hoping that they do come out, because the smaller ones apparently don't like to come out, which kind of sucks. Standard boat. Some jewels for this one. And this is what it looks like. I hope it does turn out. The little yin yang. Go right along with my channel. And it's a 20 by 20. Come on. It has 15 colors. It has a little bit of confetti. Nice. Really nice. And it does come with the numbers for that particular one. Diamond painting number 2. Standard boat. I usually try to make stuff with these. I know this one won't turn out because there's supposed to be some filigree in here. But it's a good thing for Halloween. It's another 20 by 20. Yay! Look at that. 3 tens. 14 colors. And the drill field is somewhat legible. I can crank that out for Halloween real quick. Oh. And I like my bright colors as well. Standard bulb. Another 20 by 20. Supposed to look like this, but I doubt it will. Drill fields, somewhat okay. Don't even understand this. But that's what it looks like here too. It's like, what is that? Why is there just a basic block? Okay, numbers match up. One last one, and this is going in for a contest for January. So 30 by 30. Oh. Standard boat again. I thought it'd be more colorful than that. It has 18 colors. And there we have it. What do you think? I'm thinking on getting the same one bigger, but that's definitely gonna cost me. Definitely getting my 310s back. Drill field is definitely clear. A lot of confetti. I found my way through. And that's it for today. I'm going to stack them all away, and then I'm going to show off everything I got in another video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and don't forget I'm having a 1K subscriber giveaway. There will be a link below, and there will also be a share link on where I got all these so you can order them yourselves. Have a great day. Namaste.